Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the attribute tags in HTML. So, along with the tags, you can use an attribute. So, attribute is actually a name value pair. So, you'll be having a name is equal to some value. You'll be always embedding this name value in the starting tag. So, separately you won't have any attribute tags. Along with the starting tag, you will be having some name is equal to some value. This is called as attribute tag. So, this attribute tags mainly will be using with CSS, cascading style sheet only will be using this. And in JavaScript also, you will be then and there using it when it is required. So, you will see an example for this attribute tag, then only you will be understanding. So, here I'm having a paragraph. I'm having 4 paragraphs. So, in each paragraph, I have used a different attributes. So, style is an attribute. So, style is equal to, in double quotes, text align colon right. So, the alignment of the text should be right. So, you are having many attribute properties. What are the attributes and what are the values you can give for these attributes, like that you are having a separate list. So, as we move on, you will be coming to know about each and everything. So, now we are seeing style. This is actually an inline CSS. We will learn it detailedly in CSS. Okay. So, now style is equal to text align colon right. This will make my text to be displayed in the right align format. The last paragraph, text align is center. So, this will be making my text to be appearing in the center. So, if you want to make some styles or some changes in the paragraph tag or any other tag, within the starting tag, you can embed this name is equal to value. So, the value should be in double quotes. Certain times, if you are missing this double quotes, it will work. Sometimes it will not work, but for safer side, always use this double quotes. That will be good. So, now we saw the style tag, right? The next one is class and ID tag. So, if you want to group many tags together with a common name, you can use this class tag. If you want to give a specific name for a particular tag, you can use this ID. So, class is equal to your own value you can give. ID is equal to first your own value you can give. So, this ID and class attribute tags will be used in JavaScript mostly. So, you want to make this paragraph to do something. The color should be changed or the content should be changed. Something you want to do. So, you can do it. The functionality of this can be manipulated with the help of JavaScript. So, to locate this tags, paragraph tag or heading tag, whatnot. So, to locate that, along with the tag, in the starting tag, you can specify the ID and class value. So, we will detailedly see this class and ID in JavaScript. Okay. So, this is called as HTML attribute tag. So, we will see the output for this. See attribute tags. The first paragraph, I gave the attribute value like right aligned, right? The last paragraph, I have given center aligned. So, the style text align should be right and center. So, in my output, it is reflected. So, the first paragraph is right aligned, the last paragraph is center aligned. So, this is just class and ID. While you are learning JavaScript only, you will be understanding this usage. So, the next tag is div and span element, which we will be seeing in the next video. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.